Nakabenta ki Kupar ke baman kasngi subscribe yo Antor News.
Kublai pi baru kini kilom ki Kupar bam tagasngi. Uba Synshar Kupar Lyngdoh Thabah UMLE badang syajit themai jeng Sohiong Konstituensi menhaga khat nutrik ujemang arajar arpulai ula shimsmai kumudukhat bapura jeng yang darbar thawan ke Meghalaya Legislative Assembly. Ya uba Synshar lapin smai du sembut lampang gayung darbar thawan utimoti di shira haplau gayung darbar thawan berim kabadan hakandailan. Ya uba Synshar Kupar Lyngdoh Thabah asunran lang do Presiden ke UDP uba medba Lyngdoh ki MLE UDP Menteri Ketenat Penyat Kam bor penyat AT Mondal bat kikmi kikpa. Uba Synshar Kupar Lyngdoh Thabah ba ai jingkran shikilat pathai kubor uyathu ka kam jung urkalong ban sdang thmai ya ki jong ka constituency Sohiong.
Synshar Kupar Lyngdoh Thabah have been elected a member of the Legislative Assembly. Do solemnly affirm that I will bear true faith and allegiance to the Constitution of India as by law established, that I will uphold the sovereignty and integrity of India, and that I will faithfully discharge the duty upon which I am about to enter.
Like what I've said, starts a new era, Sohiong Konstituensi, and also I think a good thing, and with God's blessing to the people of the constituency and also for the state.
New era in what sense you can explain?
I didn't get you.
A new era in what sense?
New era means a new MLE of Sohiong Konstituensi starts a new development, new ideas of bringing something new to the constituency and also adding a new brain to the assembly. Thank you.
You said earlier that you will be a lawmaker beyond the legislative task. So tell us what way.
I didn't say much about that, but being a legislator, you just come and sit in the assembly. I want to be a legislator who will speak in the assembly, which me speaking might be an addition or wake-up call to many other MLAs in the assembly.
There's a lot of unaccomplished work of your relative earlier, Mr. Lyngdoh. What are the things which need immediate attention?
Yeah, I think all starts from ground zero. He's done a lot for the constituency, and talking about myself, then I'll start everything from ground zero.